Hi, I'm Dave Brown, State Senator from Becker, and I think most of us can agree that solutions need to be found for Minnesota's version of Obamacare that we call MNsure. The President announced that rates and enrollment for next year's health plans would be delayed until November 15th of this year. However, because Minnesota has its own state-run health insurance exchange, we can release the new rates and the new plan information when we decide, and I would advocate that we do that earlier than November 15th. One solution for the problems that Minnesotans have experienced using MNsure is to release these rates on October 1 so that it gives buyers the time to shop and compare rates and plans prior to the start of enrollment of November 15th. I'm not asking for enrollment to begin sooner than November 15th. That's what President Obama has advocated for. I'm simply asking that we give Minnesotans time to shop and compare their rates prior to enrollment starting on November 15th. We need to find every solution possible to make certain the MNsure exchange is easy to use, workable, and friendly for the people seeking health insurance this fall. Let's do the right thing for Minnesotans and release the new health insurance rates on October 1 so that we have time to figure out, the families that are looking for those plans have time to figure out what the plans are, what their options are, and they have time to shop and compare. As a health insurance agent, which I am, I had direct experience and involvement trying to help people this past fall to set up accounts on MNsure. We all have heard about the problems, and there were many problems with that. I'm just asking, let's avoid those problems this year. Let the rates come out October 1st instead of November 15th so that we can help avoid some of the problems that we saw last year. We don't want to go through that again this year.
I'm going to let Senator Brown, he is the insurance expert here.
You know, I've talked to a lot of health insurance agents and the health insurance companies, and I'm not on board with the rates may not be that drastic of an increase. We don't know yet. I'm saying let's for once do what's right for the public. Last year, 2013, the rates came out September 6th, so we gave almost a full month for them to shop and compare before they had to choose a plan. Let's do the same thing this year. The rates the enrollment's going to start November 15th. Let's have the rates come out October 1. I'd even move that up to October 15th if there was consensus on that. But let's give people time to shop and compare. Nobody really knows yet. The Department of Commerce has not seen plans from the insurance companies yet, but the insurance companies have told me they will do whatever the Commissioner of Commerce asks them to do. If he asks them to have their plans ready for October 1st, they can have those plans ready by October 1st.